If you need to move money between your accounts using the CIBC app, this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Whether you're transferring money from your checking account to your savings account, paying down a credit card, or moving funds to a line of credit, the process is quick and easy. Start by opening the CIBC Mobile Banking App and signing into your account. Once you're on the main account overview screen, you'll see your available accounts, such as your checking account, savings account, credit card, or line of credit. To begin the transfer, tap on Send Money button under the checking account. This will open additional options. From the list, tap Transfer Funds. On the transfer screen, enter the amount of money you want to move. Under From Account, your checking account will usually be selected automatically. Double-check that the correct account is selected before continuing. Next, tap to Account and choose where you want the money to go. You can transfer funds to another CIBC account, such as your savings account, a CIBC Visa account, or a line of credit. After selecting the destination account, choose the date for the transfer. If you want the transfer to happen immediately, leave today's date selected. If you'd like the transfer to occur in the future, simply choose a different date from the calendar. You'll also see a How Often option. This is useful if you want to set up recurring transfers. For example, you could automatically move money into your savings account every week or every month. If you're only making a one-time transfer, leave this setting as a one-time transfer. Once everything looks correct, tap Next. Review the transfer details carefully, especially the amount and destination account, to make sure there are no mistakes. Finally, confirm the transfer. Once submitted, your funds will be transferred according to the schedule you selected, and you'll see a confirmation screen showing that the transfer was successful. One quick tip before you go: always double-check both the From and To accounts before confirming. This helps prevent sending money to the wrong account and saves time correcting mistakes later. And that's how to transfer funds between accounts using the CIBC app. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to Guides and Beyond for more simple, step-by-step banking and app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.